Give this video a like right away to let me know you came for the scalable and really lucrative business ideas that are also very simple to launch. Alright, let's get started. Flipping items is the first business idea I have for you. Now, I'm not at all talking about just selling things you already have, and there are a lot of options with this. In fact, Walmart and Target make money by reselling goods. They buy them from manufacturers and wholesalers and then sell them in their stores. The simplest method to get started with this type of reselling business model is to just buy products that are on sale or that people don't really want but just want to get rid of buying them for cheap and then selling them for higher prices is how many businesses are operated successfully. It is true that when you buy and sell more expensive items, your earnings tend to be higher since even if the profit is small, the cost of the item is higher. However, you may do this in a variety of ways, such as flipping houses or cars. Margin itself is small. For instance, if you bought a house for $200,000 and then sold it for $200,000, that would only be essentially, and this is simplifying things, like a 5% profit margin, but you're earning $10,000. Yes, there would be fees and all that, but for the time being, I'm just keeping it simple. Instead, imagine that you were buying and selling something that only cost $100,000.